Hey, this is Jimmy with Chef Eunice, and today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how the appliances and how the electrical speakers, TV, receivers works. First thing that we're gonna start with is the electrical panel box. First thing you see is your labels. The top one is your main. Number 1A is your AC fan. Number 1B is your hood lights and food warmer. Number 3A is your extractor. Number 3B is your outlet number 3. Number 5A is your TV outlet and outlet number 4. Number 5B is your under-counter refrigerator. Number 7A is your interior lights. Number 7B is your exterior lights. Number 2A is your refrigerator. 2B is your outlet number 1. 4A is your outlet number 2. 4B is your Bluetooth receiver. Number 6A is your water heater. 6B is your water pump. Number 8A is your exterior outlets. And number 8B is your LED lights. So over here to the left, you got your plumbing area, you got your wash shelf, you got your paper dispenser, you got your soap dispenser, you got your wash hands only, you got your wash, rinse, sanitize. Over here to the right, you got your water pump and water heater. At the moment, they are on, so we should try it out. You should see the pressure flowing out. That's your cold water. Just to the left, that's your hot water. And down here, you got your water heater, you got your water pump, you got your spraying hose for the flooring, which is this one, to spray water on the floor and clean it out. Over here to the right, as we extend further, you have your potable water tank. On the exterior side, you will see this water inlet, little tab. You open it, you will have your cleaning water hose inlet and your potable water inlet. And down here to the right, you got your water waste valve. What you want to do is open the valve, or before you do that, you want to make sure that you open the little nozzle. If you want a little bit, or you want to extend outwards more, and then you open the valve right away. So on the front side of your trailer, you will have a 100-pound propane tank. You will have a gas ball valve. At the moment, it is open in the vertical position. When you close it, it's in the horizontal position. So we're gonna keep it open to show you the appliances. Okay, so this is your food warmer. In order to turn this on, you got this little power switch, and you just adjust the temperature. You set it to heating or humid, or you please, and that should be it. You set the temperature and it's ready. So, quick tip, before you start any of the appliances, you wanna make sure that your extractor is on. You got your switches up here. You got your extractor, and you got your hood light. Okay, so we're gonna start with the oven. First thing you want to do is turn the valve on, which is the middle one. Once you turn that on, you should hear a little hissing sound coming from the pilot. With the lighter, all you want to do is lit up the little pilot. Once the pilot is lit on, all you want to do is just turn the knob, and it should start spreading throughout. To turn the oven on, you want to flip this little tab down here, make sure it falls down, and up here you have a little star. You have a little star up here. What you want to do is press this a few times, just like a minute or two. Just keep pressing it. What you want to do is hold it, come down here and let up the pilot. You want to hold it down for a few seconds with your thumb. You can see the flame coming out. Once you give it about a minute or two, you want to release it. If the flame is still on, you can adjust the temperature and your oven is ready. Okay, so the second appliance that we will turn on is your grill. First thing you want to do is open the valve, let the gas flow in. Up here, you will have your pilot, which is this one. All you want to do is lit it up. Pilot is on. Turn the knob. Okay, so the third appliance is the fryer. First thing you want to do is turn on the valve. Down here, you will have this little ball valve. You want to turn the pilot has this little L, has this letter L sticking out. What you want to do is align this one with the two little dots back here. You want to do the same thing as the oven. Pump it a few times for like a minute or so. Just a good few pumps. After doing that, you want to do the same thing. Hold it down. Get yourself a lighter. And up here, you want to turn on the little pilot. And the same thing you want to do is hold down the button for like a minute or so to keep the flame on. Once you do that, and you give it about a minute, you want to release it, and it should be ready. Set to a certain temperature. Put it in the on position, and it's ready. So until the final things, you got your 10-pointer fire extinguisher, fire suppression system that goes connected all the way throughout your hood vent. Back here, you got your in case of fire pull handle. Below, you got your ABC fire extinguisher. This is your Type K fire extinguisher. That's for your fryer. Over here, you got your 25 feet, 50 amp extension. Here's your 50 feet adapter. And back here, you got your lighter propane torch. And as we head it down, you go down here is your utensil drawers with the lock. You got your warranties, your LED controllers, modules for the speakers, TV, Bluetooth receiver. Over here to the left, you got your under-counter refrigerator. You got your refrigerator up here. You got your gas detector, and this is your TV. Here are your HDMI, your USB, and your coaxial. Okay. On this side of the wall, you got your first aid kit. Up here, you got your Bluetooth receiver. Over here to the right, you got your smoker barbecue pit. I'm gonna open this. Matches.